Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today another video with this Easymaxx compact sewing machine. I have made a video how you can use this sewing machine. You can find this video down below in the description or after the end of this video right in the corner. Now today I will show you how you can reload the bobbin. Sometimes it will end the thread and you need to replace the thread. Now at the back, of course, we need to remove the thread from the needle. If you want to remove this spool for any reason, just pull this cap from the thread spool pin. You can remove it and replace it with other color. Okay, now we need the bobbin. Insert the thread in one of these holes. Just to start manual 1-2 rotations. Okay, insert the bobbin on the winter, pull and then pull at the left just to lock, unlock and lock. And then with the pedal you can start the rotation or with the on-off switch at the front. You can have your finger here because we need the thread stretched and press again. And of course, if you want, you can use other spools if it will end. I think I'm okay for now. Unlock, remove the bobbin. Nice, I like it. It is stretched. Cut the thread. And then we need to reinstall the thread. First it goes here. And at the front, insert the thread from this hole. And then obviously from the needle. You can use this threader if you cannot see very well, but I will install it with my hands. Okay, that was easy. And then goes here. Then we need to install the bobbin. Goes here with the thread at the front. And we need to start the sewing machine just to pull the thread from the bobbin. I think there it is. Take the scissor. Okay. There it is. And then you can use it again. Let's see if it works. Oh yes, it works perfect. Well guys, that was my video how you can reload the bobbin and how you can install the thread again at the sewing machine. You can check the full video about this Easymaxx compact sewing machine down below in the description or right in the corner after the end of this video. Don't miss it, it is very helpful. I have tested all the 12 threads and definitely this is an amazing sewing machine in a value of money price. I like it. Until my next video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.